everyone, when log of x and log of 1 divided by x have the same mantissa, we're going to find the value of x. And this is for x is greater than 10 and less than 1,000. All right, so let's let alpha be the mantissa of both of these. We have our alpha is going to be the mantissa of log of x, and I'm going to write this one as log of x to the power of -1. All right, so if they're the same, then we're going to have log of x equals some integer, the characteristic, plus the positive fractional part, which is the mantissa. And also log of x to the power of -1 equals some integer for the characteristic plus the same mantissa. So basically your n and m are both integers. And our mantissa has to be a fraction between 0 and 1. All right. Now if we take equation, let's call this 1 and 2. If you take equation 2 and subtract 1, we're going to get log of x minus log of x to the power of -1 equals n minus m. All right, so I just subtracted these, 1 minus equation 2. And therefore we have an integer, because the mantissa part went away, which is not an integer. All right, so now this whole thing is an integer, and I can rewrite this using my power property as log of x minus a negative log of x equals, this is going to be 2 log of x, which is going to be an integer. All right, since we have this part right here, 10 is less than x is less than 1,000. If I multiply through by log, I'm going to get this equals log of 10 is less than log of x is less than log of 10 to the power of 3. This is going to give me log of 10. This is common log. That's just going to be 1 is less than log of x. Using your power property, we'll just move this 3 in front. That's 1. So this is going to be less than 3. All right. Now what we want to do is take this and change it to 2 times log of x. So again, we had 1 is less than log of x is less than 3. So we want 2, so we're going to multiply everything through by 2. So that's going to give me 2 is less than 2 log of x, which is less than 6. Okay, now our 2 times log of x is an integer. So since this is our truth here, our integers can't be 2 and can't be 6 because it doesn't equal it. But we can use 3, 4, or 5. Therefore, we have log of x equals 3. We have 2 log of x equals 3, or 2 log of x equals 4, or 2 log of x equals 5. Dividing everything by 2, we get log of x equals 3/2. Log of x equals 4/2, which is 2. And log of x equals 5/2. All right. Now solving for x, we're just going to use our exponent property. This is base 10. All these base 10, so I can write this as exponent x to the power 3, x equals, 10 to the power of 3/2, or x equals 10 squared, or x equals 10 to the power of 5 halves. So there's your solutions for x. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.